welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I am the creator and owner here at Midwest Charm. We own a small boutique that sells upcycled and repurposed furniture, home decor, and some amazing gifts. And the small town of Pine City, Minnesota. We are right on Main Street, but you can also find us on all the social medias. Please look at the links down below, as well as our website, which is www.midwestcharm.co. No M, and that too is linked below. Today's video is a thrift with me. I don't think I've done a full video like this in a while. You guys usually see snippets in my reels. So here we go. This is 2 stores. I had an appointment and we decided to go a little early and hit these up. The one store we got literally 4 items. The prices were ridiculous and it was really hard to film in there. But the first one, you will see me record a lot more. You'll probably see bits and pieces of my hubby in there, but come along and see what we found. guys. I can't wait to hear what you guys think I got. Please post below the items you think I found, and then watch next week to see what I got. We'll see you all next time. Bye.